Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add keyframes in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Wondershare Filmora official website and download the application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but that is not necessary. So now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we can see that we have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and Help option. And we also have the Media, Audio, Titles, Transition, Effects, Elements, and Split Screen options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add keyframes in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and insert a video so that you can go and put a keyframe on. Basically how you can do it is drag the video to here, or you can go click on File, click on Import Media, or click Ctrl-I. After that, you need to drag and drop the video on your timeline. Now guys, what you need to do is to insert a new frame, select Insert, then go to Timeline, and then click Frame or F5 to create a keyframe. Select Insert, Timeline, Keyframe F6, or right-click Windows or Control-click the frame where you want to place a keyframe and select the Insert Keyframe from the context menu. So it is guys that simple. You can go and do it in a few seconds. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything. I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.